In this video, we want to look at the skins that can be put onto mannequins for females. So what these skins are is you can remove the existing skin and you can put a female skin on. Now, why would we need female skins? Well, to start with, obviously, half the population are female, but also survival rates and where people are actually attempting CPR on females, it's lower than it is with males. So if students are actually practicing in the classroom on a female skin mannequin, then they can see both ways around of doing it. So the way these things work is all you do is remove the standard skin from your mannequin. So literally just undo the 6 little clasps here and the skin comes off. So this is where you would put the lungs in. And then the skin itself is standard skin, comes in a box and it's ready to go. So you can store it easily, and when you're transporting it, it's easy. So either you can set up your mannequins permanently with the female skin on, or you can switch depending on the group. So at least you've got the male version and the female version. To put the skin on, lay it over, just make sure, obviously that one hasn't got lungs in, but just make sure the lungs are set up correctly. Then all you do is just clip in the corners, tilt the head back to put the neck clips on. And then on this side, just make sure that they're fastened on all the points. And then the mannequin is ready to use. Female skins are available in light skin and dark skin, as with all of the Practi Man range of mannequins. For more information, please contact us.